Ready to write your first line of JavaScript? Let's make it simple, fun, and totally beginners friendly. Stick around, and in just a few minutes, you will have written your very first JavaScript code. JavaScript powers the interactive magic you see on websites. But before we dive into complexities, let's start with the basics. In this video, we will use the browser developer tools to quickly get hands-on with JavaScript. By the end, you will have your first code up and running. Open Chrome browser. There are three ways to access the developers tab. Way one is just click Ctrl Shift J on Windows operating system. It will open console tab in front of us. On Mac operating system, just click on Command Option J on the keyboard. It will open console tab in front of you. The second way is just right click anywhere on the Chrome browser, then click on Inspect. It will open the Element tab. You just have to click on the Console tab and it will open Console tab in front of you. The third way is just click on the three dots on the Chrome browser, then go to More Tools, then just click on Developers Tools. It will open Console tab in front of you. Make sure you must be in the Console tab. That is where the magic happens. The console lets you write and test JavaScript code instantly. Let's try something simple. Type the command into the console alert hello world. Alert hello world. Hit enter. You will see a pop-up that says hello world. Congratulations, you have just written your first JavaScript function. Type let JS equals to amazing and press enter. Now type if JS equal to amazing alert JavaScript is fun and press enter. A pop-up will says JavaScript is fun. Change the value JS equal to boring and runs the condition again. Now I have again write the same condition. Now when I press enter, notice how the pop-up does not appear. That is because the condition is not true anymore. Type 40 plus 8 plus 20 minus 10 and press enter. The console will display the result 61 like a built-in calculator. Use the up arrow on your keyboard to quickly revisit previous commands. This makes experimentation faster and easier. As you see, when I am pressing up arrow key on the keyboard, all the previous commands which we have already written are showing to me. That's it. You have taken your first steps into the world of JavaScript. Feel free to play around more in the console or join me in the next video where we will explore what a JavaScript is and why it's so powerful. If you enjoyed this hands-on intro, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. And hey, do not miss the next video. We are diving deeper into JavaScript basics. See you there.